Good morning, students. How are you? Good. I'm fine, thank you. Now this is new chapter. New chapter means this is circle. Understood? This is circle. First of all, I'd like to explain about the definition of circle. In previous classes, already I've completed about the circle. Circle means what? Circle means, suppose here circle here and x axis, y axis, here origin. Clear? X axis, y axis and origin. And this circle lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant means what? Here center say coordinate of C means s comma k, and suppose here point P and here x comma y. Understood? Clear? So first of all, definition of circle means a circle is the locus of a point. A circle is the locus of a point. Understood? Which moves in a plane so that it always at a constant distance from a fixed point in the plane. Means suppose this is a plane here and says the fixed point, center is the fixed point, and this point P is the moves around the center, means like this one. Clear? Around this one, then distance of this point from the center is the constant. It means circle is the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that it is always at a constant distance from a fixed point in the plane. It means now here center says the fixed point, P is the moves around the center of circle, then distance means this is distance, this is the constant distance, this is the constant distance. Clear? So first of all, what? The fixed point is the called center. This is center. C is what? C is the center here. This is fixed point. Understood? And PC is equal to what? Radius or constant distance. Understood? Radius or constant distance. Then now first of all we have to derive equation of circle, and there are so many conditions, so many properties here. Then let the center of circle be a fixed point C, means s comma k, length of the radius be equal to r. Then if a point P x comma y be the moving point on the circle, we have by condition Cp is equal to r. Understood? And here C is the fixed point. This is also known as center of circle, and P is the moving point. P moves around the center of circle. Then P is the constant distance. P is the constant distance. And now suppose P is equal to R here. Then mod of P is equal to R. Now find the distance formula of this PNC. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R. Now squaring both the sides. Clear? We have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. A square plus b square minus 2xh, y square plus k square minus 2yk is equal to r square. Understood? Then what we can write? This is a equation. This equation means x square plus y square plus 2xh, and here minus 2yk plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. Now here we will take from this equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now this is a equation of circle. What? This is equation of circle. Now this is center radius form. In which form it is? Center radius form. This is called here center radius form. Clear? Center s comma k, radius is r. Understood? But when we will open the bracket, at last we will get here x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 2yk plus h square k square r square. Then here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Where c is equal to what? C is equal to here h square plus k square minus r square. Understood? This is value of c here, c center. Then what is the center of circle? Minus g comma minus f. Radius is equal to what? G square plus f square minus c. When this equation is applicable when the circle lies in the first quadrant. Understood? In the first quadrant. Then we can derive with the help of this value. Now we have so many particular cases. After that, after this I will tell you. So what we have to do? Once more I am going to explain here. Understood? If circle is there, you see in the figure. Let C is the coordinate of circle, means this is also known as center of circle. Its coordinate is s comma k, and p is moving point which is moves around the center of circle, that is p means x comma y. Then when any points moves around the fixed point, which is say the distance between the fixed point from the point is constant, then here constant means let r is the distance from point P and from fixed point to fixed point C. According to definition written here, what? Mod of P is equal to r. Mod of P is equal to r. After that what? Mod of P is equal to r means here P is the distance between point P and C by using formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to r. Given here squaring both the side, we will get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now open the bracket. A square plus b square minus 2b x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y minus k whole square y square plus k square minus 2yk is equal to r square. When we will take this equation, now we write in this form, center radius form. H comma k, here h comma k is the coordinate of center. Clear? And radius is equal to r. But when we will expand, open the bracket, after that comparing of given equation to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus h equal to 0, where center of circle is minus g minus f, radius is equal to g square plus f square minus h square. Understood? Good. Then I am going to solve one question based on this equation, this formula here. Equation of circle whose center is minus 5 and 4. Suppose that find the equation of circle. Understood? What we have to find? Equation of circle whose center is you can take any numbers because I am giving example. Suppose 5 comma minus 4. Here depend on you, and radius is clear. Radius is given what? 7. Clear? Then how we can find the equation of circle? Very simple. You can put here in this formula. Since we know that x minus h whole square and y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X, what is the coordinate of center? 5. S means 5. And here y minus means here 4. Square radius means 7 square. Now x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 49. Understood? Any doubt? Good. And if you want to open, if you want to solve here, so we can open this value, then same answer will come. Same means in this form answer will come. You will do, okay? See the particular cases. Clear? Particular cases means it is not compulsory circle lies in the first quadrant. We have what? We have particular cases with so many cases here. And first one, suppose here this is circle. Understood? And if the center of circle lies on the origin, x and y here, center. Center means what? Origin here 0, 0, comma 0. Understood? 0, comma 0. Any doubts here? No. What is h comma k? This is a coordinate of center of circle. And here radius. Radius means here suppose A, suppose here B here. This is radius. Understood? Then we have formula what? X minus y whole square. So x y means x comma h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And here x minus h means what? 0. And y minus k 0 square is equal to r square. Then x square plus y square is equal to r square. Any confusion? Very simple. There are so many particular cases. I am going to explain one or two cases. Remaining things you can study from the book, because all the things, all the particular cases are given in your book. If the center lies on the origin, then what is coordinate of origin? 0, comma 0. This is center also here. What is coordinate of center? S, comma k. S is equal to 0, A is equal to 0. And C is the modulus, means distance, means radius. Now this is formula 0, 0. Now this is a value. Understood? Then second case what? If the origin lies on the circle, origin lies on the circle. Second is if origin, clear, lies on the circumference of circle. Understood? If the what? Origin, clear? Origin lies on the circumference of circle. It means what is the diagram? Diagram means, and I am going to erase here. Clear? Then second here, if clear what? If the origin lies on the circle, origin means origin lies on the circumference of the circle. Clear? It means how we can make a diagram here. Now this is circle, this is circle. Clear? And This is circle. Then like this. Understood? We can see here. What we can see? Origin lies under circum. Circum means now we can make also like this one here. Now this means circumference passing through the what? Origin, and here x, here y. What is center here? Suppose here center here, and here O means origin here. What? First of all, find the coordinate of the C is the center. S, comma K. Like this. Clear? How we can find equation? In this case means what? S square plus K square is equal to R square. H square plus K square is equal to R square. How? Because this is radius here. Suppose here H, here K. Clear? Then H and K. What is the coordinate? S. C means S comma K. In this condition, R square is equal to S square plus here K square. Understood? And we have formula what? X minus Y whole square. X minus Y means H whole square. Y minus K whole R. X square plus H square minus 2xh. Y square plus K square minus 2yk is equal to R square. X square plus Y square minus 2xh minus 2yk plus H square plus K square is equal to R square. Before this one I have derived also here this equation. After that what? If R is equal to H square plus A square, now I am going to put here X square plus Y square minus 2xh minus 2ik plus what? R square. R square is equal to R square. Now cancel here. X square Y square minus 2xh minus 2yk is equal to 0. Understood? Is equal to 0. Now this is a required equation of circle when the circle passing through origin. Understood? Then please we will complete this property. Remaining things we will complete, otherwise I will tell you. Okay? Thank you very much.